Okay guys, this is Tanya Mose with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy, and I ordered some stuff from Rainbow Resource, and let's see what it is. Well, it's packaged safely, that's for sure. Oh yeah, I love getting these alphabet letters on sale. So that's what those are. We use these for labeling all kinds of things. Binders, bins, all kinds of things. I got the Illustrated Grammar and Punctuation from Usborne. Can't wait to crack that open and take a look at it. Let's see, I got Spectrum Math 5, Spectrum Math 6, and oh yeah, I've been waiting on this. This is a parts of speech game, cooking up sentences. And I'll leave a link to another YouTube channel who did a little video on just this specific game. Okay, I also got this parts of speech bulletin board set, and I'm not going to use it as a bulletin board. Let me flip this over for you. I'm not going to use it as an actual bulletin board because we don't have space for that here. But what I'm going to do is use the individual pieces as I teach each of the parts of speech. And that way I'm hoping that'll be a good, impactful visual to kind of help set it to memory. So this is everything that comes in this set. And it's from Carson DeLosa Education. And they have their own website as well that you could check out. I hope you like this video. Please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Thanks.